Hello, my name is Philip, and welcome to today's quick grammar update. Today, I will explain to you how to use come back and go back. Come back. We use come back when you come back. You leave and return to here, the place where you are when you speak. For example, I need to leave, but I'll come back in 15 minutes. Get out of my house and don't come back. I'm sorry she isn't here, but she's coming back tomorrow. Go back. When you go back, you return there, to the place you were before. Some examples. I've had a lovely time, but I should go back home now. There are only 3 more days before our holiday ends, and we have to go back. Stop stealing or you'll go back to prison. Remember, you can practice these and many other grammar topics with myself, Philip. Visit my website, skypeclass.com to start. Good luck with your English studies. Goodbye.